In today's business world, AI isn't just an option, it's a necessity. At Galvia, we know that AI can transform your business by unlocking the hidden value of your data to drive growth. But here's the truth, one size does not fit all. So why settle for generic solutions that don't fit your unique business needs? I'm delighted to announce Galvia's AI Accelerator program, created so you don't have to compromise. Our 5-week accelerator will guide you from where to start on your AI journey all the way through to a clear AI strategy built for your business. You'll leave with more than just ideas, you'll have a clear understanding of what AI can do with your data, expert one-on-one sessions, and a strategic plan on how to integrate AI into your business. If you're a small to medium-sized organization, this is your gateway to a transformative journey. Spaces are limited, so reach out now to accelerator@galvia.ai to secure your place. Let's get started.